Buyers, I love you. But there are a few things you say that absolutely terrify sellers, even when you don't mean to. So let's talk about them, because if you're buying soon, this list will really help you out. Hi, I'm Jamie Herring with the Herring Homes team of Coldwell Banker Realty here in Northern Illinois. And sellers, well, they're sitting at home, refreshing their phones, waiting for feedback, so the tiniest comment can send them straight into panic mode. So let's start with one of the big ones. Number one, we'll decide in a week. Listen, this sounds harmless, but here's what the seller hears. We like the house, but not enough to risk losing it. And in real estate, a week is forever. Other buyers are out touring and offers are coming in, and now the seller is panicking. Is it priced too high? Is something wrong? Are they just keeping us warm and on the hook? So if you really like the house, but you need time, try this instead. We're very interested, but we just need a day or two to review the numbers. That shows respect without sending the seller into a full stress mode. Number two, we love the house, but we want to think about it. This one gives sellers heart palpitations because what they hear is, we'll offer only if nothing better comes along. That's totally normal buyer thought, but it's emotionally brutal for a seller. So here's the upgrade. Instead of, we're thinking about it, say, we're interested in reviewing everything tonight. One sounds unsure, the other sounds committed, even if you don't end up writing. But here's the tip from a realtor. The house that you want to sleep on is the house that someone already slept on the night before. So you don't want to take too much time. If this is the one for you and you would make yourself sick if finding out that someone else snuck an offer in before yours, then you should end up writing sooner than later. Number three, can they throw in the furniture? This one always cracks me up because buyers see beautiful staging and say, so can they just leave all the thousands and thousands of dollars worth of furniture? Meanwhile, the seller is thinking, wait, are they buying my house or my couch? Sometimes furniture is negotiable. Sometimes it's sentimental. Sometimes it's not even theirs and it's the realtor's who's paid for it. So super simple, ask your agent privately. We'll find out without making it weird. Number four, we're using this lender and then switching to someone else. This is a big one. A buyer picks a great local lender. Maybe it was a referral from your realtor. Everyone feels good. Then mid-contract, boom, they switch to a giant online lender. And instantly the seller and the realtor thinks, will this delay closing? Is their pre-approval real? Why are they switching? Local lenders usually know the area, the attorneys, the realtors, the process, and your offer may have been picked because of your local lender. With big online companies, sometimes you're just another file number. So pick your lender before you offer and stick with them unless there's a major reason not to. And if you do switch, be upfront early. Be clear, and there's no surprises. And number five, but here's our inspection list. This one, sellers feel in their soul. The offer says it's as is, no repairs requested. The seller relaxes, great. Then after the home inspection, a full list of repairs shows up, A through Z. And even if they're reasonable, the seller now thinks, wait, is the deal falling apart? I thought this was as is. That meant no repairs. Here's the truth. As is usually means you can still inspect, and you should, but you're mainly protecting against major issues, not cosmetic punch lists. So if you plan to ask for repairs, totally fine. Just don't make your offer as is. At the end of the day, real estate is emotional. I've cried for clients. I've had them cry to me. Sellers are trying to plan the next chapter of their lives, so uncertainty feels huge. Clear communication plus realistic expectations equals calmer sellers and smoother closings every single time. So if you're buying or selling in Northern Illinois, or you just want a realtor who keeps it real, I'd love to help. Like and subscribe for more real-life real estate talk, and drop your questions in the comments.